A very good morning, students. Once again welcome you all, and in the first video of this topic we have discussed about what do we mean by human development and the all three dimensions on which we can calculate human development index. So now here one more thing is there is one, as per the human development index, to calculate it, to evaluate it, we have one highest and lowest value. The lowest value is considered as 0 and the highest value is considered as 1. And from 0 to 1, on which position any country stands, that depict the thing, the development that is covered by any specific country. And as per this data we can find out that in the race of human development any country is moving in which direction, whether it is negative or positive. And we can also compare the development of countries with other countries, how they are back and forth in comparison to other countries. Okay, so now we are going to evaluate, analyze the human development report of 2015. As we have already discussed that this human development index started in 1990, and as per the 2015 report we have the table. The Norway country is considered as the highest level, on the first level. So let's come to the this table. We have some columns in table. Let us define first of all the serial number. Then second one is the all four categories. As per this one we have four categories: highest human development, high human development, medium human development, and low human development. And afterwards the division on which position they stand. And apart from that, as per the human development index, on which position or what is the status of any specific country, and these all are the names of the countries which comes under this category. So the highest human development category, Norway is there, Australia, Switzerland, Denmark, Netherlands, America, Singapore, Britain, Japan, France comes, because they are having human development. As per the human development index they stand 0.802, which is almost near about 1. It's not 1 but almost near about 1. And the next level is high human development, where these all countries comes, and India comes in the medium human development category of this human development index report. And because the India scores that is 0.609. And the last criteria where the countries comes, that is Kenya, Pakistan, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, and Niger comes at the lowest level, whereas Norway comes on the top level. So these all are the four categories where as per the report of 2015 these countries comes. Now come to the one more table where we are going to compare the development of India as compared to other countries which exist as a neighbor country of India. So here Sri Lanka comes on the top, then China, Maldives, then third, on fourth position India comes, and the last one is Afghanistan. These 0.605, 0.609, these are the uh, data that is given to these countries on the basis of calculation of human development index. Now next come to the one more table where table here also we are going to just discuss about top 5 countries as per the report of 2015, Human Development Index report 2015. Here we can see the countries we have, that is Norway, Australia, Switzerland, Denmark, Netherlands and India. And we have three dimensions, that is life expectancy, then expected years of school and mean year of schooling, and afterwards the gross national income, that is per capita, and PPP, that stands for purchasing power parity. We have already discussed that, and all these three dimensions, that is life, schooling and per capita in the first video, and PPP also we have discussed in first video, that is what purchasing power parity. When we are going to calculate per capita of any nation on the basis of United States currency, that is dollar, that's that is considered as PPP. Okay, so here we can see that on the top level, the life expectancy, that is 81.6, that is as per the uh, criteria of human development. This is the age, maximum age, and that is uh, gained by Norway, that's why this is on the first position. And the same things you can see, as per the criteria, as per the expectations of that report, they are achieving all these things, that's why they are on the top. But as compared to their expectations, the criteria of human development index, the India is not going to achieve, that's why our country is on the fifth position. And because the A's they are not going to achieve, that is 81.6, and they are going to achieve 68. Here also 17.5, they are achieving 11.7. Here also 12.5, as compared to this one they are achieving 5.4. And here also you can see the per capita is, that is $64,992, and in India this is, as compared to this one, this that is $5,497. And if you watch the first video, you will get the same thing we have already discussed as per the dimension of human development index.